Hello, everybody. Hope everybody had an awesome week and you hit all your goals. I've been going kind of crazy. I'm getting my house completed. I'm doing some things around there. I'm trying to finish the basement, and it's so wild. Like some of these houses that are a little bit, it's you get into doing something, and then you're trying to fix it and everything, and then you find something else. And that has been the case with my week this week, getting my house all tidied up. So I've been busy doing that and busy kicking out those pre-approvals, those cost sheets. People are having trouble getting those offers accepted. So that's what I'm putting in my hopes and prayers and my thoughts and my good vibes is for people to get their offers accepted. And so if you know some secret formula that I don't, because I put a video out there, I shared my secrets. Leave a comment below and share your secrets with me because I'm at a loss because I'm seeing some of these offers that my people are putting in and they're amazing. So if you know something that I don't, let me know. Hey, Denise, how's it going? Um, I'm doing this a little bit early because I am going to a memorial service for a friend of mine, and I wanted to go to that. Hopefully, the rain holds off and we have a good event. It's going to be at Watson Park, which is a local park here. So hopefully that goes good. But yeah, welcome. I'm Ryan Lee with Planet Cheapskate. If you are tuning in, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this. I do this every week, every Friday going into the weekend. So you are made aware of what the rates are. Now, these are my rates that I get by making banks compete. These are not rates that you can go out and walk into your bank, into your credit union and demand because they're going to tell you to hit the road, Jack. Because they give you what they think they can get away with. They don't like to compete. So when you walk in that door, they feel like they got you on the hook. So that's kind of what I do. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. We'd love to have you join us on this journey. My dream, my goal for this is to build a community where it's not just me. Maybe there's other people making videos and we're just helping each other out through this highly stressful period. So that's my dream. That's my goal for this thing is that I want more people to contribute. I want us to help each other out, an active community. And so join our journey. We're going to take this thing to the moon and we are going to build a community around this thing. Eventually, we're going to do some meetups. Just huge plans for this thing. I don't want it to all be about me. I want to bring in other agents to help you guys through this process. So, I'm kind of launching it, but I want it to grow beyond me. So that's my spiel there. Please join us. Subscribe. I also do a housing market update on Mondays, so be sure to check that out. It's going to tell you kind of what the statistics look like to where you can, see what kind of how aggressive you want to make on the offer. See, there's I think there's 6 statistics that I look at. Kind of helps us read the market a little bit. And then, mortgage, I do like mortgage applications, which will help you know, what the competition is looking like. So I got that. That'll be Monday. I'm going to do that. And then I also have a realtor class coming up May 19th. It's a Thursday. It's probably going to be about 10 a.m. It's for my realtor partners. Any of you are invited. I'm going to be on the lookout. There's going to be a Facebook event that I'm going to be dropping. And if you're not invited to that, just hit me up on the messenger and I'll make sure you get invited to that. But I've, through trial and error, I've kind of figured out a way to where you can rank first on Google. And so, Google is the most popular search engine in the world. And so, ranking on the first page of that is a pretty huge deal. And so I'm going to give all my secrets, all my advice on how to do that. So, be on the lookout for that event, and you're more than welcome to join me. Let's get right to my rates. Looks like we're doing good on time. These are not rates, like I said earlier, these are not rates you can walk into a bank and do a credit union and get. You can't type out a little message to Rocket or do whatever, those online lenders do. These are rates that I get by actively making 50 plus of the most competitive banks all over the United States compete. What I do is I just do like a average lender. I do like a 700 credit score, I think a $250,000 house, and I make them compete for a 30-year fixed to see what the best offer they send me is. And then when I get that best offer, I then share it for you so you know what the kind of the going rates is when you make the banks compete. This can help you going through the process. If you're in Kansas and then soon to be Texas, I can probably help you through the process. If you're interested in that, reach out to me. But if you're out there and you're just a subscriber or you're a realtor that listens to this, just keep it helps you keep an eye on kind of what the market looks like. I think my rates are really awesome. I know a lot of rates have went really, really high, and I think mine have kind of stayed pretty low. I've been seeing some other videos posted about rates going to the moon, and I was looking at mine and I'm like, well, that's kind of weird because mine haven't went anywhere, or mine are staying pretty steady. So I think when you make those banks compete, I think it's a good way to kind of stave off that fluctuation of the market. So without further ado, let's get right to these rates. My conventional rate is at 5.25, which hasn't moved. That's stayed the same from last week, with an APR at 5.516. My FHA is at 4.75, which is 0.25% higher, and the APR on that is 5.751. My VA is at 4.625 with an APR of 4.821. That's up about 0.1%. My USDA is at 4.625 with an APR of 5.064. And USDA is about 0.1% up from last week. So VA, USDA up 0.1%, FHA kind of a big jump. 0.25% is pretty big in the lending world. And then conventionals staying flat, which is good because most of the offers that I'm seeing getting accepted are conventional. So I think that's a good thing. I think my rates look good. If you're a realtor partner out there interested in that class, let me know. And if you have any pre-approvals you need done, I'm working this weekend. I can help out with whatever you need. If you have some unique scenarios, if you have some borrowers who other lenders turn down, I don't like to broadcast this a lot just because I don't want to get bogged down in just trouble files is what I guess I call them. But if you have some loans that maybe other lenders turn down, let me take a look at it. Whenever you have many different lenders, you have many different options. So it may be something that I can help you get done. But on those, I just give you a heads up. Hey, this is what's going on. It could be a bumpy ride, but I'm willing to take a look at them. So that's my rates. Hope everybody has an awesome weekend. Happy and safe weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye bye.